day, a customer brought in a car with a loud noise coming from the tire area. At first it sounded like something serious, so I lifted the car and removed the wheel to inspect the problem step by step. After checking everything carefully, I found the real issue: the disc brake had damage and wasn't working properly. The brake parts were rubbing badly and causing the noise while driving. I cleaned the area, fixed the brake issue, tightened everything correctly, and tested the car again. Now the tire is running smooth and the sound is completely gone. That's what real repair work looks like: finding the problem and fixing it the right way. If you enjoy car repair and mechanic videos, make sure to like,